If the potential of a whole cell is positive, then the free energy change is going to be negative. This would mean that the redox reaction is spontaneous. The voltaic cell would operate spontaneously with electrons provided to the external circuit at the half cell where oxidation is taking place. Now, if the potential is negative, the free energy is going to be positive, which means that this reaction would not move forward spontaneously. These situations are true whether or not the reaction is configured as a voltaic cell or as an ordinary process where the reactants and products are combined and mixed in the exact same reaction vessel. This is valid because the free energy change for a reaction depends on the concentrations, but not on the way in which the reaction is actually carried out. Specifically, if the reduced